best presentations are a conversation between you, the presenter, and your audience. Now, okay, it might be a slightly one-sided conversation because you're doing most of the talking, but it should strike a conversational tone. Too many people go into sort of performance mode. I am now presenting. And once upon a time, that sort of very formal, slightly stiff style was in favour. These days, our approach is a lot more conversational. So, speak in usual sentences. Use punctuation. Maybe use questions, even if you end up answering them yourself. Conversational tone is just easy, free-flowing, varied, and is a much more regular listen for most people than listening to a performance. Now, that's not to say that in a conversational tone you're not going to use, let's say, rhetoric and some rhetorical devices. In fact, some great orators use a very conversational tone. So just practice talking like you normally would. Bear in mind that a presentation is just a conversation with a group of people instead of one person. But talk to that group as if you were talking to one person. Chat with them. Be in the moment. Respond to what people are saying or doing. But aim for a conversational tone. Watch other presenters and see when you can spot people who do have that conversational tone and see if you can get a grip of what they're doing and maybe see if you can emulate it. It's a really nice way to present. It's very relaxed. It's very easy to watch, very easy to listen to, and audiences respond very positively towards it.